In school, you are often asked questions. This is how teachers determine whether you are learning and whether they have taught something well. If you are unable to answer the question, they know that you didn't learn the information. It is critical to understand what the question is asking and how to answer it. Today, we will look at 4 question words. We will become familiar with these question words and learn how to answer these type of questions. Those question words are who, what, when, and where. Turn to page 14 in your student books. I want you to follow along as I read the information. We're going to stop at the end of the first chart. How to answer questions. Use these steps to answer a short answer question with a complete sentence. Look for a question word to know what the question is asking. Find information in the text to answer the question. Plan and write the answer. Check the answer. Now let's look at the first chart at the bottom. If the question asks who, your answer must include information about a person or a group. If the question asks what, your answer must include an action or a name of a thing. If your question asks when, your answer must include a specific time, date, or event. If your question asks where, your answer must include a general location or specific place. Let's practice answering questions orally. Listen to this question. Who is in the office? Looking at the chart, because the question is a who question, I know the answer will be a person or a group. For example, it could be the principal, the orchestra, you, or Mrs. Smith. Who is in the office? I will answer that with information about a person. The principal is in the office. Listen to this question. When does school start? Looking at the chart, when is always answered with a time, a date, or an event. For example, I could answer school starts in 10 minutes. With your partner, take 30 seconds to come up with 5 different answers. Begin your answers with the words school starts. Listen to this question. What is on the desk? The answer to what will be a thing. A lamp is on the desk. With your partner, take 30 seconds to come up with 5 things that are on a desk in this room. End your answers with the words is on the desk. Listen to this question. Where is the principal? The answer to where will be a place. On your own, come up with 5 answers to the question. Remember to use the sentence frame, the principal is blank. Now that we have practiced answering questions, we will reverse the process. We will look at some pictures and determine whether each picture is a who, a what, a when, or a where. Then we will ask questions about the pictures. Turn to page 15 in your student books. As I look at the first picture, I see that it is a baby. Since a baby is a person, the question could start with who. I write who at the top of the picture. The next picture looks like it is at a park. At the park is a place. So the question would be a where question. I write where above the picture. The next picture is a pair of shoes. Shoes are a what? We write what above the picture. The next picture is the sun setting, which is time. So what do we write? As you look at this picture, it also is a beach, which can answer the question, where? If you come across pictures that could be more than one question, write both question words at the top. With your partner, I want you to label the rest of the questions. Remember, labeling with the question words at the top of the pictures.